Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Blessings Nation, and now welcome to the channel. Your man Jaden Chase, and another one we're going to bring on another reasoning on the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and of course, let your voice be heard. Like and share the video, and drop a comment in the comment section. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. Now Nation, it has been exposed that Delano Tucker's mother and her statements made on social media has instigated and created the scandal surrounding her son and the good work being done by a classmate and other well-wishers who have stepped forward to help out the family. Hopefully that situation now get between Alex and Delano and the linkage with them have. Because obviously say a classmate has stepped up to this level and then to hear some statements that were made by his mother. Now I'm going to see the video and then we'll continue the reasoning Nation. Look and listen.
No, Alex no good friend.
They are schoolmate from primary, from grade 2.
And don't think come ever complain to sometimes. Alex.
No.
7,800 Talk to me plain and
Was it true?
calm down. So you are the land.
Blessings Nation, and now let's continue the reasoning. Now some might be saying at this point, a simple sorry from Delano's mother now go just fix the situation. Alex and his reputation has been dragged in the media. Even though, based on what I say, majority of the people who are aware of the situation and in tuned are saying, based on their opinion and their point of view, Alex did nothing wrong. Delano did nothing wrong. And as in most situations, and the youth them are them parents. And the next problem is maybe ego. Everybody who forward and say them want to help out the family. It's like them want public recognition for what them do. For why you don't know? When you do a good deed, if you do a good deed just for the good deed's sake. Some people do this like them try to get a tax write-off. So they want video footage and everything. As it pertains to Alex in the media, you must have video and video the whole thing and put it out there. So for him a video will go on, we understand. Plus him have to show the people him way I contribute and want to help out Delano say, this is what we are doing and this is where we have reached thus far. Just like how the MP put them on the program and just step aside. Some people could just do what them are doing and just step aside. Remember after the statements were made and they must say this is being done for political gain, they will say the MP make a statement. She has made none since. In fact, Andre Stevens contact her when we should talk about the situation again. And it was Andre Stevens who visited Delano Tucker's mother and the rest of the Tucker family. And it was from that video where we hear certain statements and we hear certain talk mentioned. Simply put, she should have never said what she said. And now the talk is, she seems ungrateful. I'm a doubt that's the perception where she want the people him have. Because I know she must happy for the help and the aid she receive. And remember, all of these are blessings. She, per se, never go out there and go make these links. Remember, our son and our friend had them make the video and put the situation out there. As I'm saying, hopefully, you know what I mean, Delano and Alex still good. You know what I mean? You know you're not gonna ask nobody for, you know what I mean? Show up their mother. But hopefully them look at the situation for what it is and realize, yo, those fear statements and some things where she said. And that should have no bearings upon feed them linkage. And the fact is a good thing Alex do. When they talk to me, tell me how you feel. I'm gonna feel like Andre Stevens instigated the matter as well. By going to the people in my yard. Even if things him bring, forgive them. Where the whole heap of black counting and how much money he get and how did that become a line of questioning? What kind of question? And how would she know these things? So just by asking her these things, you know what I mean? Putting her on the spot like that. Him definitely instigate the woman. Alex, the MP, Mark Golin, and everybody who forward and show support. And see now, it's at the point where Alex has said him have him lie already. Because what Stevens did was unnecessary. So, Nation, talk to me. Tell me if you feel like this could have all been avoided if some people just do what they do and sell less. And if Stevens never go up at the yard and instigate the whole matter. Tell me how you feel about Delano's mother and the role that she playing in this. Seeing that we see numerous videos. We don't go see Stevens' video. We see some other people visit too. And some people are say, oh, just the way she react and the way she answer certain things are some statement that she make just didn't sit well with some of the people who have viewed the video. Now keep in mind, she's of course faced with the same situations as Delano. And the aim is of course to help out the entire family. So despite what people might feel about she, keep in mind, the father and the youth them not say or do nothing negative. I remember the youths are the future. Awareness was brought to the situation. Oh here Delano talk about it. So I could just keep the focus on that. And as I say, all the people them who want to help and who can help for still do so. To date, numerous government agencies have signed on to help even with the grants needed for tuition so that Delano can further his studies. And him grab all 9 subjects. So, you know, him definitely upon a good start. It's a youth to focus on him studies. Him know where more. And as I say, this is a good look for see Jamaicans unite. There's always a drive to see Jamaicans united upon some uplifting matters. Some topics of importance. You know what I mean? Anytime we see the people unite, it is a clear display that together the people them can achieve whole heap. A matter of fact, the matter is out of many. One. And maybe if Jamaicans had that mindset, saying that even though now we are different people with different heritage, different backgrounds, okay, I have some people and this time, you know, the thing mixed. So I would say out of many, you have people who have different, who trace them heritage too. You know, you have Chinese out here, you have Europeans out here, Americans, you know what I mean? British, you name it, Africans. We have the indigenous, you know what I mean? But if you share the mindset that a better Jamaica benefits all Jamaicans, even the people who know elected are up there thief the money. And even the people who put in place and I say, yo, security will not really do them job to the best of them ability. It would have benefit all. Recently, the finance minister stressed how important it was for the entertainment sector to reopen. Now, people have long considered the entertainment sector as just people are partying and gallivant. That's not the case. The entertainment sector is a sector that generates millions, probably even billions if we do the full count. It is not by coincidence that Jamaica, one of the country, along with all other first world countries, who have an event held every night in every parish. A lot of the interest generated around our tourism sector is also based on the interest generated around our entertainment sector as well. People want to come a yard to come party with the Jamaicans. That's how them flag out there for. They feel like them could have visited any other Caribbean island. Majority of Caribbean islands have turquoise water and nice beaches. But each Caribbean island has its own culture, and the culture speaks for itself, and Jamaican culture is not one of but the most famous Caribbean culture. in the world. Or we can boldly make that statement. Rastafarian. I will say Rastafarism. That is something derived right there on the Jamaican island. No else. Reggae, ska, mentor, dancer, right there on the island. No else. And these things have impacted the world. In every major country across the world, you can see the impact of the Jamaican culture. And at large, the Caribbean community. Hopefully going forward, people can see what, people can achieve when they unite. And have the same mindset and have the same willingness to move forward to it. You know the sentiments, and for those who don't, well, first and foremost, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. The comment section on 24/7 never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the sentiments, and for those who don't, you man move settings, fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, of course, want to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.